Hey everyone, welcome back to Alf's Mustang Garage. Today we're back working on the 69 R code Mustang. We just got finished tearing most of it apart. The whole dash is out, the whole rear seat's out, all the interior. I think we're 98%, off. Doors off. Fenders off, wipers, the upper cowl, the upper cowl cover. But starting to see some fun stuff that we're about to get into. There's some rot here in the front frame rails, battery, apron. So we're on the lift now, and today's goal is to get all of the front suspension off the car, so it's completely stripped down, get the rear axle off, and get this all mounted up on the rotisserie. So that's the goal for today. We're going to set up the GoPros on the tripods and set it up on time-lapse and get to work and get after it.
Too hard for my soul. Again matters which words lead us home. When the end will not reveal its face, I guess I will rest in palms of grace. Am I lost or found, or am I just here waiting around until someone comes and tells me it's okay to move and I'll take another step toward you? Taste like wine, yeah, you taste like wine. You taste like wine. I can't find those vines. The same as before, yet each old one keeps me longing for more. Is this all that we get, or is there something that we forget when we are born in hope to find it once again? Open doors picking us into you. Taste like wine, yeah, you taste like show me home and we'll go. So come on, show me home and we'll go. So come on, show me home and we'll go. So come on, show me home and we'll go. You taste like wine, yeah, you taste like wine. You taste like wine. I think that is fine.
Okay, well, there's the teardown. This thing is on the rotisserie. It's ready to go to media blasting, and then we'll kind of see how bad she really is. But just to kind of give you a little preview of this car, it's a little rough. Like, we have the cowl that's rotted out. There's some sections of the front frame rail that are pretty rotted. There's been some old, floor repairs which look a little janky. Not really sure what the media blast is going to reveal here, but yeah, we'll get it over there. We'll video bringing it back. This quarter panel is probably going to get redone, but yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully it was kind of cool to kind of see everything in time lapse. So on the rotisserie, get it all twirled around and everything. So, but if you haven't had a chance yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. How does it go? Smash
the like button.
Smash the like button. Hit the subscribe. Follow us along. Those little things do go a long ways when it comes to helping us, film more content of what we're doing around here. So thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.